This is Rebecca with Digital Thinker. In this video, I am going to discuss how to track employee availability in Hexagon EAM. If you have not already, I encourage you to watch the video on using shifts to manage work schedules prior to watching this video. Assigning a shift to an employee allows for calculating employee availability. But how do you handle time off and holidays? In Hexagon EAM, you can create availability exceptions. Let's walk through a couple of examples. My employee is associated with Shift A, which is a 7-day rotation with working days Monday through Friday. I'm going to be taking a half day of PTO on Monday. For 1-day exceptions for a specific employee, you can easily add this on the Employee screen, Availability Exceptions tab. In the Exception Details section, go ahead and select the date, then enter the hours. Since I will be taking a half day, I will only have 4 hours of availability. Next, I'll enter in the start time, and the comments is a great way to add any additional information, such as is this due to sick leave, PTO, or a holiday? So I'll go ahead and enter PTO, then click Submit. Now, when my supervisor goes to schedule work for Monday, they will calculate availability and see that I am only available for 4 hours of work. Another way to add availability exceptions is on the Employee Record View screen. Please note it does not matter which employee record you are viewing when you click Create Group Exception. This option is wonderful if you need to create an exception for a date range or perhaps for a specific department or shift. As I mentioned previously, Shift A follows a Monday through Friday work week with holidays off. So let's say I'm adding the holidays for 2025. I could enter in my organization, followed by the shift, and let's add an exception for Memorial Day. So I'm going to populate May 26th for the start date and the end date. Now, in this case, the hours of availability is going to be 0. Just remember that the hours associated with an availability exception is going to represent the number of hours available. Okay, so for a paid holiday, it would be 0. Then, as we did previously, I could enter in the start time followed by a comment. Now, when I click Process, the system is going to create an availability exception for May 26th for all of my employees in Shift A. So if I were to return to the Availability Exceptions tab, you'll see that I now have a record for Memorial Day. As you can see, creating availability exceptions in Hexagon EAM is easy and helps maintain accurate employee availability, which improves work order scheduling and resource allocation. If I was scheduling work for Monday, I could go ahead and calculate availability. And I'll go ahead and calculate availability for the next 2 weeks. So now if I were to schedule a work order activity to myself that exceeds my available hours for Monday, I'll receive an error message. So as you see here, I only have 4 hours left on that day, whereas I am trying to schedule 6 hours of work. I hope you liked this video. Be sure to subscribe for more Hexagon EAM content. Thank you.